Welcome to the captivating world of the music business, where the rules are changing and artists are reclaiming their power. Discover how to master the art of negotiation and explore innovative paths to success in an industry that is more accessible than ever before. Let's break it all down, shall we? Record deals 101. In the old days, record labels basically owned you as an artist. They'd give you this huge advance up front that sounded awesome, but was really just a loan you'd be paying back for life. Major record deals were notorious for giving the artist a very small slice of the pie compared to the label. But things have shifted massively in the last decade or two. With the rise of the internet and social media, artists can blow up on their own. This means they have way more leverage when it comes to negotiating a deal. Independent route. In fact, more and more artists are going fully independent at first. Build a fanbase on your own, put music on streaming services through a distributor. Take that momentum to then maybe sign a distribution deal or licensing deal down the road, instead of a full record deal. Artists like Chance the Rapper and Macklemore crushed it going indie at first. Alternative deals and the really smart labels are getting creative with new types of deals. For example, one label I found called Opposition Records in Vancouver offers artists all kinds of flexible options. Maybe you just partner with them for marketing in a specific region. Or they handle distribution while you keep total ownership. Their biggest signee is super producer Zaytoven, who was able to keep full master's ownership under their partnership deal structure. More and more of these types of non-traditional deals are popping up to meet artists' demands. Revenue streams. Of course, at the end of the day, we all want to know, how do artists actually get paid? In the streaming age, services like Spotify, Apple Music, etc. are the biggest moneymakers. But earnings per stream are pretty low, especially for smaller indie acts without a huge following. So live shows have become crucial for building that fanbase and driving merch sales. And we can't forget about good old songwriting royalties. Having your songs played on the radio, TV, YouTube, etc. that adds up over time through performance rights organizations like BMI or ASCAP. There's also opportunities in areas like brand partnerships, endorsements, YouTube, social monetization. The point is, artists need to be entrepreneurs pulling income from every possible stream, not just streaming itself. Direct-to-fan. One model I find really fascinating is this direct-to-fan monetization that's blowing up in markets like China. Streaming services over there allow fans to send virtual gifts to artists while they're live streaming. It's an intriguing trend for monetizing that direct artist-fan relationship. Making sense of it all. Look, at the end of the day, the music industry is complex with a lot of moving parts. But the landscape is more artist-friendly than ever before. You have options. You can be fully independent, sign a partnership deal, go the traditional label route, whatever fits your vision and goals best. The biggest key? Treating your art like a business from day one. Understanding marketing, branding, how to engage your fanbase. As one artist put it, as an artist, you are the business. Music is your product, but you need to be the CEO making savvy decisions. Wrap up. I hope this overview gave you guys some useful perspective on this crazy ride that is the music industry in 2025. The game has changed, but that means more opportunities for artists to grab control of their careers. Do your research, keep evolving your business plan, and most importantly, make dope music that connects with people. As the music industry becomes increasingly saturated, the ability to connect with your fans on a personal level is what will truly set you apart. Learn how to share your unique stories and explore various creative avenues to cultivate a bond that transcends the music itself.